Hello and welcome to the Irish bid for ICD 2028. Throughout our bid video, you will be introduced to the amazing dietetic community here in Ireland. Our organising committee representing the deep-rooted history of ICD in Ireland, and our professional conference organiser that you can trust to deliver a world-class ICD conference. You will see a beautiful conference centre in lush green surroundings beside the city centre, and a farm-to-fork experience second to none. But before you meet our team, who are waiting to welcome you here, we want to share with you a message from the President of Ireland, Michael D Higgins.
Welcome to Ireland, the country traditionally known as the Island of Saints and Scholars. As Chair of the Irish Nutrition and Dietetic Institute, ICD Conference Bid, and previous President of INDI and Chair of the Irish section of the Nutrition Society, Programme Director for the first graduate programme in dietetics here in Ireland, I will be delighted and honoured to welcome you to University College Dublin. The theme of our conference is food, integrity and sustainability, and our ambition is to bring your evidence-based dietetic practice and its underpinning nutritional science to Ireland. In return, we will share with you our scientific research in dietetics and nutritional science, our wonderful culture and our warm hospitality. This conference is truly a collaborative effort. It is strongly supported by our close colleagues in Northern Ireland, by UK dietitians through the British Dietetic Association, and across Europe through the European Federation of Dietetic Associations, or AFAD. Dietetics in Ireland is truly on the rise, with increasing value placed on the role of dietitians in public health and clinical practice. From a small start, we now have over 1,000 registered dietitians. There are plans to recruit almost 200 dietitians to work in the community setting in Ireland over the next 18 to 24 months. And so, by 2028, the profession will be even stronger and more energetic, ready to welcome you all. We have gone from having one undergraduate programme for more than 50 years to having 3 new graduate programmes in 5 years, so that dietetics has now become a recognised and highly respected discipline in each of the 4 main Irish universities. Bringing ICD to this wonderful university in this great country of ours is a dream for those of us who've spent our lives developing the profession here. To host ICD in Ireland would represent another major achievement. We hope that we will see you all here in Dublin in 2028.
Hello from Ireland. My name is Mary Maloney. I worked as a clinical dietitian for 10 years and then lectured for 32 years at the University of Dublin Trinity College and the Technological University of Dublin. As a former president and honorary fellow of the INDI, one of my fondest memories is the time my colleagues and I bid to bring ICD to Ireland at the Congress in Jerusalem in 1992 and came second to Scotland. Throughout my working years, I undertook many research projects and presented and chaired sessions at ICDA congresses in Israel, the Philippines, Scotland and Japan. It would be a huge honour for INDI to welcome you to our magnificent country in 2028. My colleagues and I will be delighted to greet you on your arrival for the ICDA Congress in Ireland with the Céad Míle Fáilte, which means 100,000 welcomes. We look forward to seeing you.
The European Federation of Associations of Dietitians is delighted to support Ireland on our bid to host the ICD conference of 2028. Dietetics in Ireland is well established and has a reputation for excellent science and long-standing collaboration with IFAD. We wish Ireland all the best, and our members' associations will be delighted to participate and look forward to visiting Dublin.
My name is Rob Lennon and I graduated in 2020 with a master's degree in dietetics from University College Dublin. I am now working in my first job as a clinical dietitian in a large Dublin teaching hospital and enjoying the challenge of my new role. The class of 2020 and I from all of the colleges around Ireland will be very well established by 2028. You could say we are the future of the dietetic profession here in Ireland. Whether working in clinical practice, research, in the community or in industry, we have so much to share with you and learn from you at ICD 2028. It would be a great honour to welcome you here to our beautiful country on the edge of Europe, and we Irish do have a reputation for knowing how to enjoy ourselves. We will be ready and waiting to welcome you. Hope to see you here in 2028.
It is hard to believe that it is 60 years since Johnny Cash wrote his hit song 40 Shades of Green, inspired by the beauty of the Irish landscape. And while Ireland has certainly changed and developed in many ways since then, you are still never too far from green fields, lush grass, and the many reminders of our agricultural heritage here in Ireland. This is especially true for us in the INDI, as we are so fortunate to have our headquarters located in Airfield Estate, a working farm of 38 acres here in the suburbs of Dublin, only a stone's throw from our conference hub in UCD. We are the only dietetic association in the world to be based on a working farm, and we look forward to hosting our gala conference dinner here in Airfield. Every day at Airfield Farm, they use the best of sustainable farming practices and grass management to embody the concept of farm to fork, producing the very best in Irish meat and dairy for their award-winning restaurant. So you see, we don't just study food and nutrition here in Ireland, we live it every day too. We can't wait to welcome you to Ireland, the gateway to Europe in 2028, for a taste of what our beautiful country has to offer. In terms of risk management, our professional conference organiser has pivoted many conferences from in-person to virtual ones over the past year. They have their own conference platform and are now in the process of blending both the virtual audience with the in-person experience. Furthermore, our relationship with the University Conference Centre allows us the flexibility to downsize the meeting requirements and increase the virtual attendees should this be necessary, mitigating our risk and reducing our costs. Our professional conference organiser has created 4 financial models to cover many different scenarios. In addition, we have developed a well-thought-out digital marketing plan to encourage as many of you as possible to travel to Ireland. And now, to tell you more, is Nicky McGrain.
My name is Nicola McGrain. I'm the CEO and founder of Conference Partners International, the professional conference organising company behind the ICD bid. I've been organising international conferences in Ireland for the past 23 years. In the past year alone, we've organised over 30 virtual conferences, so we're very experienced in managing hybrid conferences that combine both a virtual audience and a live one. However, we do hope that by 2028, we'll be welcoming you all in person to the beautiful green island of Ireland. The conference location we have chosen for the ICD is the University College of Dublin, a beautiful green, lush campus just 10 minutes from the city centre of Dublin. The conference venue is a modern, state-of-the-art building that combines great meeting facilities with a selection of bright social areas, cafes, overlooking the beautiful lakes of the university. So you're in the perfect social environment for networking with your international colleagues and friends. You can also choose to stay in a hotel nearby, or there's a wide range of beautifully appointed apartments on campus where you can share with your colleagues. Now, Ireland is known for its hospitality and warm people, so we have a fantastic social programme organised for you. We'll open the conference with cocktails on the lawn overlooking the lakes, followed by a cultural display of music and Irish dancing. In the evening, you'll be spoiled for choice, from literary pub crawls to Georgian evenings, or simply dining in our gourmet restaurants in the city centre. If you choose to bring your partner, arrive early, or even stay on for a holiday, we'll be offering a selection of pre- and post-conference tours that will show you the very best of Ireland. We promise you an Irish cultural experience full of laughter, fun and fine memories. We hope to see you in 2028.